It was particularly strange for me to come and work in the Newland electorate office. I was actually an electorate officer for 2 members for Newland ago, so it felt like coming home and seeing all the old sort of bricks and old carpet and the office where I used to go and visit one of the former members. It's been a bit of a teething process setting everything up, but at the end of the day, I think everyone's been really understanding that it does take time to get stationary and get all your systems up and running. And we have so many people just coming in on a regular basis to come and visit, see who the member is, because it's been an electorate office in our spot for about 30 years. Well, I've grown up in the Gully. I like to think that I know my community relatively well, but I'm regularly affirmed by the sort of country feel and the mentality of the people that live out in our area. We love the fact that we can have large blocks, native trees, native birds, a view of the hills, but also get to town in 20 minutes on the Oban and still feel like we're living our lives in the country out in the suburbs. So for me, my main priority is getting out to meet absolutely everyone in my first sort of year. I wanted to make sure I got out to meet every school, every community group, every service club, every sporting club, hopefully in the first 6 months or so of being elected. I think it's really important to form those relationships early, make sure that we're engaging with everyone in the community and that they know that they can come to us, but also getting out and seeing all the wonderful things that groups are doing in the area and getting to know them better as well.